Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create this easy updo. It's perfect for a night out, wedding, or as a wedding guest hairstyle. Let's get started. Now for hair prep, I'm using Moroccan Oil's Perfect Defense Heat Protectant. I love that this goes on dry and evenly coats the hair. And I'm curling my hair with a 1.5 inch barrel, which will give the hair a soft, smooth finish. Now I begin every hairstyle with oil on my hands. This keeps it frizz-free and shiny. All right, to gather your hair into a ponytail just above ear height, pulling out your face framing pieces and hold on to it with your left hand. Now tightly wrap the base of your ponytail up and over your index and middle finger on your right hand to the left and grab on and tightly twist your hair to the right one full turn as you bring it to the top of your head. Now fan out the sides of your top bun and hold it in place as you secure your twist. So French pins are my go-to. I'll link my how-to video in the description for you. Then bobby pin your bun into place so that you can see it from the front. For finishing touches, I recurled the ends. I wanted to create 3 distinct curls, and this 1-inch curling iron is my favorite for detailing. Oil for more shine, and then I locked in the style with hairspray, and I always finish with a shine spray. I love how this hairstyle came out, and if you did too, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!